I prepared this video to give you some non-legal business tips for your business, because your business, like mine, needs some things besides just law all the time. I hope this video gives you some ideas. One thing I learned early on, and it's for everybody. When somebody calls you, you call them back that day. You send them a text that day. It's amazing to me how if you call somebody, they don't call you for 3 days or 4 days. I don't see how these guys stay in business. One of the keys for my business is when somebody calls me, I'll give them a call back that day, or I'll send them a text 2 hours, I'll call you back in 2 hours. Or sorry, I'm in trial, I can get with you tomorrow, unless it's urgent, let me know. But just call the people back on a timely basis will do wonders for your business. I mean, I think that's one of the key tips. The other part is delegation. I learned the hard way, you got to delegate. If I'm working on something, nobody's going to want to pay my hourly rate for something somebody else can do. And it's a waste of my resources. So anything, if I'm doing something that my other attorney can do, that's at a lower rate, she's going to do it. And if something that she's working on that paralegal can do, that paralegal is going to do it. So delegate. And then there's other things as far as that's real important is don't try to do everything. Focus in on what you're good at. Just like I'm really good at arguing, I'm really good at getting with clients, getting the action plans, talking to the clients. Writing, I mean, I can write, it's just a different way, and it's still very good, but it's not as good as Ann, so I have her do a lot of that. And I will argue back and forth about when I edit and stuff, but that's part of it. So those are really part is delegating. And then under promise and over perform. I think that's important is if you tell people and you can't live up to what you're doing, you're gonna have a hard feelings for the side. So if you if you overperform and underpromise, I think it's much better than the reverse. So that's a part of it. We love doing it. I've got a great staff. I've got another attorney that's worked for me for over 20 years. She came with me from my old law firm, and I've got 2 paralegals that are excellent. And the group of us are able to do cases together because we separate what each party does. I love going to court. I love talking to people. I love going to mediations. And I love getting results. I'm a problem solver. So the other attorney, one of the attorneys in the office, what she does is she handles all the things that I don't love doing, which is writing a lot of the motions, doing the discovery. I'll go in the judge anytime and argue. I love arguing the cases in front of the judge. I love arguing to the other side. So what we end up doing is we work together in a really well-mannered way to get the best results for the client.